Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and today I will show you how you can use Google Meet for video conferencing. Now, as you all know, Google Meet is available for free. Earlier, it was a paid app. It has several other features such as you can conduct meeting for 60 minutes with 100 participants. Moreover, in this video, I'm going to explain you exactly how you can download the app and also use its various features. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video. This video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Meet onto your phones. Let's begin. Step number 1. Go to Play Store or App Store and look for Google Meet. You can search in the search panel Google Meet. Now install the app onto your phone. It will take less than 5 minutes to get it installed. Now click on Open. It will redirect you to the app window where you need to give the accessibility of microphone and camera. After that, they will ask you to allow the notification. If you wanted to, go for it. After that, they need you to sign in with your Google account. Here are my Google accounts. Now choose the one with which you can continue. After that, the main window will appear. Here in the left corner, there are some options like for the settings, send feedback and help. And in the right corner, there is an option where your email ID appears. Here is an option to add another account where you can create a new one in case you don't have. We are having two options, new meeting and join with a code. In order to start a meeting, you can click on new meeting. Here we get 4 options, get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. On tapping on get a meeting link to share, a pop-up window will arrive where you can copy the link and even share on the different platforms such as WhatsApp, mail and messages. On clicking on the sender, the link will automatically be pasted over it. Now click on send. You can even join a meeting with the same code by clicking on join with a code option. On clicking it, you can paste the code over the blank space and click on join. As you are the first one, so you will be considered as host. Here you can see the meeting link at the bottom of the page. You can also give the accessibility of camera. After clicking on join, a meeting window will appear. On clicking on the right corner, you can switch the meeting on speaker mode by clicking on the speaker option. Now, if you wanted to see the participant, you can do so by clicking on the left corner. Here it is the list of participants. On clicking on information, you get the link that you can share with everyone. Now, clicking on the bottom 3 dots, a dialog box will appear in which there are several features such as add others, in-call messages, share screen. On clicking on in-call messages, you can simply type any message which will be visible to everyone. You can even turn the show caption option on. By doing so, the text will appear. It means that speech will be converted into text form. By clicking on a report a problem, you can easily report any problem along with your screenshots. You can even report any abuse. There are some other settings. For example, adjust the light, language. You can even change the languages to several other languages for the captions. Now the host enjoys several other features. For example, he can control who will join the meeting or not. The permission will host can deny the entry, or admit the person into the meeting. He enjoys several other features too. Here is the live demonstration how speech is being converted into text form. Host can put any participant to the mute. He can even pin the participant for the larger view. He can even remove the participant from the meeting. Anyone from the meeting can share the screen. Now the other participant is going to share the screen. Everything on the screen will be visible to everyone. In this way, we can share anything during the meeting. Now, if you wanted to end the presentation, you can do this by clicking on Stop Sharing option. Alright, so that was a quick tutorial about how exactly you can use Google Meet. It's very easy to use app, and the main features are you can easily join or create any meeting room. Thank you for watching.